Mi Rausiwara mountain na misa come down. Come up la usik na si marasin si sampla help na about non plus ako beken. Walk go come up to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock or sleep time. Mi married na mi gatupla pikinini man. And now I'm third pa pikinini. First born mi golo biko usik na mi karim. Second born mi Pilipene mlone hap so mi va kam done vam kari rot so mi stalo place na mi kari lo place. Na now third born mi woko kalo skele. Pa ni sampla heavy na so mi kam stop lo new plaka.
Lon we hap lo kam so. Sampla emol kam yet or kam karim lo here I go back. Sampla looking mo sen distance em lo when had lo ba kam all stalo place na ol kari.
Sampla sa kam o kari pikinini bol pikinini save mama sadai pikinini sa save.
Time no got light in place I using phone or thoughts lo karim lo night. Now mama waiting to here also using thoughts or light also using lo night also sleep.
Stapia lo welani mi plaza sore. Nesi no visablo mi playa em sakrai lo ol mama lo we happy.
When I make him strong, lo me lo like him. Or people lo place here. And Papa God and him strong lo me. God and stop and back me. And start me calm. Time stop here, he look him hand lo God. And stop and say helping me. Make him easy lo walk lo me. And start me calm. Me like him or people also, so me say more want them bear na heart lo me.
Number one cause is bleeding. When they deliver and they have bleeding problems, if they're in the village, they cannot get any assistance. If the placenta is not removed on time, they'll keep on bleeding until they die. We had 3 mothers who delivered, 2 delivers on the way, placenta retained. They bled to death before coming to the hospital. That's in Goroka district. So think about those ones in the other peripheries. So if they deliver in the village, the places are not clean. Sometimes they go deliver in the bush or in the garden house. So the rate of infection is high.
Time house come up here, there's like in up in bell bro mi pla. Because all come na, all stop na. Mi pla looking to all stop and smile, all stop hamamas. In up all karim na ego.
This one is for mothers waiting out. I'd say a blessing to them that brings a hope that they will be fine with their child and all this. When there's complication now, it's like the hope that okay, the doctor will see it clearly and whatever it is, definitely my baby will be born alive and I will be safe as well. I believe the mothers would be happy to go there and stay comfortably and give birth to the children.
No ka light on nes na doktor no na helpin plagut. Na mi plaken bakara piskin no pla. Si guta light na save un pla mama lo van plaxi be un pla straight be un pla na gini.
Me play no got light here. I'm different. How me play walk, me play walk. That's so light he come logenia, so light he come logenia. I'm helping me play go through, saving all mama.
Thank you lu pla bring so light me pla kalo. Me pla mama vaksi sampla help, or nes na doctor pla vaksi help. Logan me to thank you.
Oh mama stop, me pla money stop. Oh mama no stop, me pla money no na pesta. Mama no stop. Papua New Guinea na pesta. Because mama stop, we play stop.